So a lot of people ask me, the question I get asked a lot is, what is the minimum recovery gear that you would take on a big trip? All right, well, here it is in front of me. This is the minimum amount that I would take. Now I start off with a snatch strap. Now you can get a couple of different snatch straps, and that's usually by rating. You know, you get a smaller strap, you get a bigger strap. I generally take the biggest strap because, let's face it, we've got some big heavy trucks. Now this one here, this is 11 ton and 100 mils wide. So that is a big, heavy snatch strap. Now, the thing about snatch straps is you need another vehicle to recover you. You can't sort of snatch strap yourself out of a bog. So generally, if you're going by yourself, then you might want to use a winch, okay? When you do have a winch, you need stuff to go with it. Okay, so the important things are a pulley block. You go to your point of recovery, a tree or another vehicle or a stump or whatever, and you connect this to that connection point, and then you run your pulley cable through there and you take the hook back to the vehicle. That'll halve the load of your winch. So by reducing the load on the winch now has more power. So you could effectively say that the winch has now increased in power by 50%. So obviously a good thing to have in your pack. Now, when we talk about recovering and we're using winches, okay, that's what we use this thing. This is a tree protector, okay? So if you have a look at the length of it, okay, it's quite short, designed to wrap around the tree or the winch point, and you can either slip it through itself, but at its strongest point is if you use both eyes. That's its strongest point. You then put a bow shackle there, which is a rated bow shackle, okay? Always use rated bow shackles. That goes through there like that, and then you put either your pulley block, which is that one there, or you just put the direct hook straight from the winch. Now, the advantage of having this is it will protect the tree. Last thing is a hitch receiver. So this goes into the back where you put your tow bar, and this is designed for somebody to connect to the back of you and winch you out, or you're going to do a recovery on somebody else and you hook your snatch strap to it. So that is probably the safest ways to do a rear end recovery, because it connects to the center of the vehicle. So all the load is in you know, the strongest point. So there you go. That's about a basic sort of recovery pack that you might want to take on your next big adventure.